Let us see how to reuse an old shoe. Hello friends, welcome to Shallows Artistry. I've taken an old shoe and this pair of shoes are completely torn and not in a condition to be used. So the first thing I'm going to do is wipe it thoroughly with water. This is going to help give a flawless finish because a layer of dust can always be a hindrance in between and this can cause problem in giving a neat finish. So once it is dried completely, we'll start painting, and for painting I've taken acrylic markers. These are nothing but paints but in a marker form. These markers are absolutely beginner friendly, and if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to use this one, especially if you are giving fine details. This is the best. You also get the same thing in a paintbrush format, but I'm using the marker form only. You can use anything that you want. And by the end of this video, if you really like using this kind of a paint marker, then you can definitely buy it. I'll give the link of this product in the description. You can go buy it from there. In the recent times, these designs are going viral. These are the trending designs that usually comes for walls. You can see that the walls, the tables, the backdrops are all decorated using this design. So I thought of using the same design in shoes. It is not necessary that both the shoes should have the same kind of designs or the same color patterns. If you want to follow the same color pattern and have very minimal designs and make a lot of space in between, then you can also go ahead, because that also is quite popular nowadays. Or you can also go with the flow and use lot of colors, jam pack it with colors and lot of designs. It's up to you to make it most colorful, very bright, anything that you would like to have. Go with the flow and add up any design that you want to add into this, or just be very plain simple and have very limited designs. So this flow is up to you. As I started painting, I just went with the flow and I wanted to add more and more colors and designs to it. That is how I ended up in this design. It is up to you to go with your flow. After the painting work is over, it is time for us to preserve it for a longer time. So we are going to add a layer of varnish or transparent nail polish. I'm using transparent nail polish because it is quite inexpensive. I brought it for about 25 rupees around from a local shop. After using this layer, it is going to be protected for longer years. It can be kept in the sun or it can also be kept indoors, and you can see the difference. The paint is giving a matte effect, whereas once you add nail polish, it gives a glossy effect. Now we are going to add soil and then plant whatever we want to keep it inside. And here our planter is ready, completely ready to be kept outdoors or indoors. And this will add beauty to your garden. This is how we can reuse old and torn shoes. And instead of throwing it away, we are going to enhance our garden with all these scrap items. These kind of unique planters, especially shoe planters, can be best kept on shoe racks. It looks really very pretty there. If you also have torn shoes at home, do give it a try and see, and also share your feedbacks in the comment section. If you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends and family who are interested in arts and crafts, especially gardening using craft items. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe Shalu's Artistry for more such videos. Thank you.